I opened the car up to fit the chip in there. So you can see the inside bearings and all metal gears. There's the belt as well, and it doesn't have magnets at the bottom. It's only the motor, and I think the motor acts as the magnet. It's very fucking low. Like I can't really see if you'll be able to see. It doesn't really show it because it stands on the guide, but yeah, it is fucking low if you just look at that. See how low the motor sits with the rear tire. So I hope it sticks to the track properly. Yeah, and then this is the chip. That's the chip. So it doesn't have the analog and digital switch, I noticed. But it's got all of the other functions, and it's got the plugs. Comes with the wires for the lights as well, but this body doesn't have lights. This body doesn't have lights, so I'm not gonna bother with lights, since it's I don't wanna wreck the fucking thing and put lights on the body that doesn't have fucking lights. So anyways, let me go get into it.